Here are some rich calcium food sources. Dairy sources. 1. Milk. Whole, low-fat or fat-free milk, 300 milligrams per cup. 2. Cheese. Cheddar, mozzarella, feta, and other varieties, 200 to 300 milligrams per ounce. 3. Yogurt. Plain or flavored, whole or low-fat, 300 to 400 milligrams per cup. Non-dairy sources. 1. Leafy greens. Collard greens, kale, broccoli, and spinach, 200 to 250 milligrams per cup. 2. Fortified plant-based milk. Soy milk, almond milk, and oat milk, 300 to 400 milligrams per cup. 3. Tofu, prepared with calcium sulfate, 200 to 300 milligrams per 3-ounce serving. 4. Edamame, boiled or steamed, 200 to 250 milligrams per cup. 5. Almonds, dry roasted, 70 to 80 milligrams per ounce. Other sources. 1. Sardines, canned in water, 350 milligrams per 3-ounce serving. 2. Salmon, cooked, 200 to 250 milligrams per 3-ounce serving. 3. Fortified cereals. Many breakfast cereals are calcium fortified, 100 to 300 milligrams per serving. 4. Calcium set, tofu, extra firm tofu prepared with calcium sulfate, 300 to 400 milligrams per 3-ounce serving. Recommended daily intake. Infants, 200 to 260 milligrams. Children, 1,000 to 1,300 milligrams. Adults, 1,000 milligrams. Pregnant lactating. Women, 1,000 to 1,400 milligrams. Maintaining adequate calcium intake is crucial for bone health, muscle function, and overall well-being.